In this video, learn how to create a music visualizer like a pro. Change color, text and add audio, logos or resize or any platform on Android. And the best part is that you can create quality music visualizers for free too. Let's deep dive into. So first type onemaker.io in the Google search bar, or you can click on the first description link below. Once you have onemaker.io homepage, here you can see logos and intros, music visualizer, podcast, and slideshow templates. So we are here for a music visualizer. So click on the music visualizer category. Here you will see a lot of different templates. You can select any one which you like the most and start editing. Or if you want some more templates, click on page number 2. So here I'm looking for some nice and dark cloudy templates. So I like this one and select it. Now we are on an editor page. So here give in some editing information. So from here you can easily edit your templates. First you can change the text here. And to change its font, click on the default font and here you will see some stylish fonts you can choose from here. To change color, click on color bucket and you will see color palette. And to click on the plus icon to explore more colors and choose according to your project. So here I am going with the default font and color. And to the second text, I am going with default. And change its font to click on the font. Change the font to source and I am going with the default color. And next to upload a photo, click on upload photo. Select your image, then open it. And now adjust it through screen slider, then crop. It looks good to me. And to explore some more options, click on advanced settings. From here you can change the audio song, color and video size. First, start with the audio file. To upload audio, click on upload audio track. And select and open. Audio action completed. To change the background color, click here and choose the color from the color palette. For more color, click on the plus icon and choose what you like. Here I am going with the default one. Then you can change your video size. You can change your video size for YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and any other social sites. To see its frame ratio, first click on the 1:1 ratio. To see the 5:4 ration video size, click on it. To see the 9:16 ratio, click on it. I am going with the most common size, which is 16:9, so click on that. And then simply click on save and make a video. Your video is rendering. It takes some time. So now our video is ready, and to make HD video, click on make HD. If you want to edit anything on it, click on back to edit. To download this video, click on the download button. Select your folder and then save. It will save in your drive. And double click on it to open this video and enjoy your creation. Though there's no limitations to the creativity. Also let me know in the comments down below if there's anything that we can cover for you. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or if you find any value from us. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and happy creation. And don't forget to check onemaker.io.
Show me what you got. Ride it down your block with that thing, about to let it go.